How to make MEE6 give roles when someone joins. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to make MEE6 give roles when someone joins. The steps are very easy to follow, so let's get started. The very first thing you have to do is to make sure that you have roles you can give these joiners. So to do that, let's go to Discord. And from here, just tap on the three-line icon at the left top corner of the page and then select the server you'd like to work on. So I'm going to tap on the name of the server at the top of the page, and then you should see this come up. Just tap Settings. And on this page, just simply look for User Management and tap Roles. Now tap Create Role, and then just select or assign a name for this role. I'm just going to put Member, and you can even assign a color to this role. So I'm just gonna pick that, tap Save, and then tap Create. You can create as much role as you want. It's really up to you. And it's up to you what permissions you'd like to give this role. So I'm just gonna say Member. So basically they only have the basic permissions like the following. And I'm just gonna select that. And then I'm gonna tap Finish. Now, as you can see, we have already successfully created our role Member. Now we're gonna have to log into MEE6. So I'm gonna go to Safari and just go to their official website. So it's MEE6.xyz, and then just tap Go, and you should see this page. Now, just tap on Add to Discord if you haven't added it yet, and then just wait for the next page. The next page may or may not ask you to log in. It depends if you've already logged in with your device before. But I'm gonna have to log in here, so let me just log in real quick. And just wait for it to load. Now all you have to do next is tap Authorize. And then select the appropriate server. Tap Setup. And then just add MEE6 to the server. Just tap Continue, and then select the roles or the permissions you want to grant MEE6. Tap Authorize, and just confirm or complete this CAPTCHA, and then wait for the next page. You should see this, and the next thing you have to do is go back to your Discord first. So just refresh this. As you can see, MEE6 should be added here, and make sure that it is at the top of all the other roles you created. So I'm going to tap on Save, and then I'm going to go back to Safari, where you can tap on this three-line icon at the left top corner of the page. Go to Server Management and then tap on Welcome and Goodbye. Activate Welcome and Goodbye. And just make sure to turn this on. Give role to new users. Turn that on if it's not on yet. Tap Save. And tap this drop down here, Roles to Give. So just select a role you'd like to give the joiners. So let me just work on this. I'm gonna select Member, that's the only one I have, and I'm gonna tap on Save. And that's how easy it is to make MEE6 give roles when someone joins. After doing this, MEE6 should automatically give the member roles to everyone who joins the server. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.